section we will see the categories of IoT. So the IoT can be divided into three categories, and the categories are based on uses and client base, because when we are using IoT, then we have to think about who will be the client and what the uses of that IoT is. So consumer IoT, it includes connected devices, smart cars, appliances, etc. Means the first category is consumer IoT. That consumer IoT category includes the connected devices such as the smart cars, phones, watches, laptops, connected appliances, and entertainment systems. Then the second category is commercial IoT, which includes the thing like inventory controls, device trackers, etc. So this commercial IoT is basically the IoT which includes the inventory controls, device trackers, and connected medical devices. Then the third category is industrial IoT, which includes things as connected meters, wastewater systems, flow gauges, pipeline monitors, manufacturing robots, and other type of connected industrial devices and systems. Actually, the things in IoT can sense that it is the wide variety of devices such as heart monitoring implant, biochip transponder on farm animals, camera streaming, and etc. So legal, we can say that the things are nothing but the combination of hardware, software, data, and services. That is nothing but what is thing in IoT. So the common facilities that are required for connecting to internet, for that the common types of area networks we should know. So the common types of area networks all of you have studied in computer networks, that is LAN, WAN, MAN, WLAN, and SAN. LAN is nothing but local area network, which is responsible to connect with the small area. Then comes the MAN, that is the metropolitan area network, where we are connecting several buildings in the metropolitan city. WAN is nothing but wide area network, which is the combination of various LANs, we can say. WLAN is nothing but wireless LAN, means we can connect the various devices by WLAN in the area. SAN is basically the storage area network, system area network, and server area network. So according to our need, the SAN is used. So these are the common types of networks that are used for internet connection. Then the different types of internet facilities which are required for internet, that are nothing but the basic facilities, that is dial-up, analog 56K, DSL, that is nothing but the digital subscriber line, cable is nothing but it is required for internet connection, because we are using model, and by operating that model we can connect with various TV lines and connection, so cable. Then WiMAX, that is nothing but wireless or WiMAX or Wi-Fi. As its name suggests, it does not use the telephone lines or cables to connect to the internet. Then satellite, and then cellular mobile transceivers. So these are the different types of internet facilities that are required when we are trying to connect with the internet, and the common types of area networks which are responsible for connecting at various levels. So these are the basic requirements and categories of IoT that we have seen in this section. In next section we will see the internet web access. Thank you.